I just don't know, baby. It's like, I haven't seen you. I'm so worried. I just feel like we're falling apart. We're becoming more distant. And like, I just don't know what to do.
Humans. Every fucking day, it's the same shit. Man, I swear. Either he's always swiping on that fucking phone, or just caring. Just caring about bullshit. Like that damn Kim Pomerashian chick, whatever the fuck her name is. I'll tell you one thing, though. When he gets me out there, all bets out the fucking window. That's where I belong, in the city. I can handle myself. Life in the fast lane. No dead weight dragging me behind on this fucking leash. Shit, I don't need this. I don't need this damn fool no more. Another beautiful day out here. Hey, what's up, baby? How you living?
Who you calling a baby, bitch?
Oh, shit. My fault, bruh. My fault, cuz.
Yeah, whatever, dog.
Let me off the leash. Let me off the leash. I'm off the leash. I'm off the leash. I'm off the leash. What do I do now? What do I do now? Oh, there's flowers and fucking mice and all types of shit around here. Hey. Throw me the ball. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Can't believe this. He threw my ball in the goddamn hole. Oh shit. I ain't had a night like that since my second birthday. Oh, is that peanut butter I smell? Ooh, damn, this peanut butter got some funk to it.
Don't eat that! I'm no expert, but it's probably not good for dogs.
Man, them shorts ain't no good for you. Fuck, man, I love peanut butter.
It's no ordinary peanut butter. This is magic peanut butter.
Magic peanut butter? The fuck you mean magic peanut butter? Hold up. You know how to speak dog?
Relax. This is all just effects of the magic.
What, you some kind of magician?
Pierre Kubiak, connoisseur of all things magic. And I do mean all things.
All things magic? What the fuck you mean? Man, what the fuck you put in this peanut butter? I'm starting to feel wavy.
Calm down, relax. What's your name anyway?
Man, my name is Cal.
Cal. It's different.
What's that supposed to mean?
Never met a dog named Cal before, man.
Yeah? Well, I never met a magician named Pierre, man.
No, you haven't.
Man, I'm about to get the hell out of here before I have to bite you or something. Which way is Lower Allston?
Listen, relax. Relax with all these negative vibes. We're gonna mellow down and take this adventure together. I know a great place for dogs.
Oh, hell. Pierre? Pierre, what the hell is that? Oh, Pierre, what did you put in that damn peanut butter? Is that a goddamn chocolate tree? It smell like chocolate. Shit, I always wanted to try chocolate. Oh man, this is next level. Is that a goddamn Christmas ham? Bacon? Bones and goddamn dog toys? Is that the ham bone? Oh shit, a cat. Oh damn, another cat. Pierre, all these goddamn cats. Fuck you cats. Fuck you. Fuck all you cats. Man, what's going on?
Oh, I'm sorry. It looked like you were bugging out.
Nah, I was straight. Man, Pierre, I'm starting to miss my human, man. Having a good time and all, but starting to miss him a little bit.
What's going on? I thought you didn't like that guy.
I mean, he's alright. It's like my pops. You know, you're not gonna always admit that your pops is your best friend, but you know he is.
Well, don't it always seem to go? Where you don't know what you got till it's gone?
I mean, ain't that a song? Pierre Kubiak. What a weird motherfucker.
Oh shit, not this shit again!
This seem a little bit familiar. Oh shit, I know this man. Hey, Pops, Pops! Come here, Pops. Pops, I miss you. Pops, I ain't seen you in a while. Pops, I swear, I never leave you again. Pops, I'ma come back. Pops, you knew I was coming back, didn't you? You knew I was coming back. Pops, you don't believe me when I'm talking to you like this, Pops. You know that.
Can I help you?
How you doing, son? My name's Pierre Kubiak. I'm a connoisseur of everything Jesus, and I do mean everything. Now, do you have a minute to talk about your Lord and Savior Jesus Christ?
Oh, what the